Hi guys, it's me again. Today I will show you how to shade the female face and try to explain to you in application how light and shade behave as it hit different parts of the face. Let's start. Let's imagine the light source is at the center front of the subject, placed about 2 meters above her head, so the light is directly hitting the center of her face going down. Let's focus on the eyes first. The pupil is the darkest part of the eye, so let's start there. Here, I am using an HB pencil to shade that part. That's dark enough, so let's move on to the iris. The iris is somewhat lighter than the pupil, so I will shade it with less pressure and blend it with my blending stump. Now check your eyes. If light is placed in front of you above your head, your eyelids will create a cast shadow down to your eyes. So, I will add shadows right here below the eyelids to achieve that. Now, to add a little bit of drama, I am going to darken the outline of the iris. But remember, we are not trying to do a hyper-realistic drawing. We are just trying to make it look three-dimensional. Now, we are shading this part of the face where the brow bone and the nose bridge meet. Upon checking, this part of the eye is really deep. Since light source is right above the head, the brow bone and the nose bridge will cast shadows right at this area. And since it's deep, less light will reach it, so I am adding more shade. Now, you might be wondering what I did there. I erased the shading in that part of the eye near the tear duct because that part is very oily and reflective, so I removed the shading so it becomes highlighted instead. Now I am also adding shade at the outer part of the eye, but it will not be as dark as the inner part because this part here is less deep. Now I am shading the eye fold. This is a fold, so expect cast shadows here. Also, don't forget that your eye is a sphere, so the light is going to be blocked going to the lower part of the eye. So there's also going to be shadow there. Let's now go to the nose. The nostrils are holes. So, because of the placement of our light source, this part here will not be hit by light. Therefore, it will be darker. I am also adding a little bit of shade at the low part of the nose because the tip of the nose and the bridge somehow block the light. Also, because the tip of the nose is blocking the light, that is also going to create a little bit of cast shadow right under your nose. So I'm also adding shading at the sides of the nose. Well, this part is rounded, so the back part of the side of the nose won't be hit by light. Now it's time to shade the lips. Some of you might wonder why the upper lip is kind of darker compared to the lower lip. Well, it's because of its shape and form. The upper lip protrudes on top at the cupid's bow, and it kind of goes deep as it reaches the mouth opening. Now, this lobe will create shadow, while your lower lip, on the other hand, is more rounded. That's why the middle part is highlighted, while the bottom part of it has darker shadows. Basically, the same things are applied to the ears. The ears are complicatedly shaped, but check carefully which part do you think are exposed to the light, and that will have highlight, of course, while the deep parts will have shadows. Now imagine your head is like a cylinder. The light is placed right at the center, so the center of your face will catch all the light. Parts that we will highlight are the forehead, the nose bridge, the tip of the nose, and a little bit at your chin. Well, as it goes to the side, light will be less intense. That's why we will add more shadows at the sides of the face. Now, here you see me using my fingers to smudge and spread the shadow. Just be careful doing this, especially because your skin will have oil in it. I really advise using a blending stone. Well, that's about it. Continue adding shade to the other side of the face and then at the sides of the forehead. Thank you very much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, share this with your friends for them to enjoy too. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it will help me notify you when I upload new videos. Again, thank you.